Welcome to the Seesaw Instruction and Insights for Admins, Organizing Your School and District Library tutorial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to access activities added to your school and district library, create and build collections in your school and district library, organize and customize collections in your school and district library. There are so many ways that districts can leverage the ability to curate and organize their school and district library. By taking advantage of this feature, administrators can positively impact teacher success in student learning by offering organized, standards-aligned collections of Seesaw lessons matched to your curriculum and mapped to your district scope and sequence. Let's dive into this powerful feature. It's important to note, before your school and district library can be curated and organized into collections, lessons must first be shared to your school and district library. If you need help with this step, please visit the Using Collections in the School and District Library article in the Seesaw Help Center for a step-by-step guide. Once logged into your admin account, select the school you would like to access the school and district library through, if more than one is listed, and then click Browse School and District Library. The school and district library is organized into 3 sections. The home page will show all the school and district library has to offer at a glance: collections, recently added activities, and all activities in your school and district library. The collections page will allow you to view collections that have been created, create new collections, and modify existing collections. The Activities tab provides access to all activities added to your school and district library. Organizing your school and district library starts with creating collections. Collections provide a way to organize your published activities. Create collections of content by grade level, core curricula, topic, time of year, or any way that will most benefit your teachers. First, click the Collections tab, and then select the New button. Type a name for your collection, and then click Save. Collections can be customized to offer additional organization and information for teachers. Locate your newly created collection and select it. Click the 3 dots on the right side of the page and select Edit Collection Details. Here, you can provide a collection description as well as select a collection color to easily differentiate between collections for teachers. Collection descriptions are a great tool to support your teachers. You can provide a description of the collection activities, suggestions of ways to use the activities, best practices for classroom implementation, or provide any information that would be beneficial for teachers in understanding the collection of activities. Click the green check to save. Once your collection has been created, it's time to add activities. Click the Add Activities button at the bottom of the page to access all published activities in your school and district library. Select one or multiple activities to add to your collection by clicking the selection box in the upper left-hand corner of the activity tile, and then click the Add to Collection button. Choose the collection you would like to add the activity or activities to, and click Save. If you find you added an activity to your collection that doesn't belong, you can easily remove it by clicking the selection box and then clicking the trash icon. Collections can be further organized into sections. Sections can be used to organize activities into units, by skill, topic, or theme, or by any structure that would benefit your teachers. To create a section, click Organize, and then Create Section. Give your section a name, provide a description if desired, and click Save. Simply click and drag your section where you would like it using the hamburger icon and drop into place. You can reorder any activity using the same drag and drop method. Continue to follow this process until you've created an organized library that allows your teachers to easily find the lessons that support their classroom instruction. That brings us to the end of the Organizing Your School and District Library tutorial. If you have any questions, please watch this tutorial again or visit our Admin Resources page for additional support.